Hi there, my name is Lightfoot and I'm in the sport of biathlon. I was 19 when I first started biathlon, and it was through the military originally. I got sort of selected as one of the fit females within the regiment to go on adventure training for biathlon, and we then went out to Norway and we then started training, and that's basically how I got into it. I got picked up in 2008 to be part of the GB team. I spent the year previously in Kinloss training up there, and then 2008 I got picked up to be part of the team, but I wouldn't say I was completely serious then. It was more sort of a change of lifestyle, getting used to it. I mean, I was a soldier before, so changing that into an athlete, and it was hard, to be perfectly honest. You know, the amount of hours training. So I'd say around probably 2010 was when I realised, I want to go to the Olympics. Within the military, they do have basic fitness tests, but I wouldn't say it's nothing compared to the amount of fitness I have to do in biathlon. For instance, within the army, you do physical fitness once, maybe twice a week. It's quite a low level. And within the biathlon, you're training between 20 to 27 hours a week. So it's a massive difference and a massive lifestyle change. I love waking up and just thinking, right, I'm going to go out training today. I'm going to do 2-hour roller ski, and I'm going to focus on this, this, and this. And you know, I think every day if you've got a goal or a point to focus on, then it just makes the training so much easier. And it's not sort of doing the same training every day, because you've always got something different to work on. I do quite a look into the way I eat, and I mean, breakfast is it's all freshly made. Everything's fresh, made by myself, really. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. There is a lot of mental focus within the sport itself. I'd say quite a lot of it's mentally for me. When I'm pushing myself on that track against these girls who have been training maybe 10 years on me, it's a really mental toughness comes into it. Within the shooting side, it's normally the 100 metres into the range. That's when you start to focus, you switch, and you have to look at things like the wind flags and make adjustments on your rifle of what you're going to do. And it's sort of like a role play. You're going through what you've been training every day, and it all just comes into play.